All cannabis, whether it be hemp or medical grade cannabis, is what is known as cannabis sativa. Now, this is the nomenclature that is used, the scientific language that is used to describe all cannabis plants. Hemp is a product that is primarily used in industrial applications, so you're seeing a lot of bioplastics that can be created from hemp. You're seeing a lot of construction materials that can be created from hemp, and these hemp plants, these hemp lineages of cannabis sativa, are low cannabinoid crops that essentially are just utilized for their fibers, stalks and seeds. And cannabis, as you might typically know it, has a higher content of phytochemicals within there. We're going to talk more about what those phytochemicals are, but it has more oils, more compounds within the plant that are secreted by the plant, and those are what we extract and use to put into cannabis products, medicines, and to consume as humans. Now, you might have heard of indica and sativa, but